Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be roasting some tomatoes. Yep, these guys are super juicy and delicious. These are the ingredients and they will be listed in the description box down below. So those are my beautiful tomatoes. I have some olive oil, some salt, some black pepper, and some balsamic vinegar. So I would have already washed my tomatoes and I'm placing that in my baking dish. Now I'll be drizzling some olive oil right over the top. Guys, this tomato, you can have this with your steak, your chicken, your desired seafood. It is so amazing and juicy. Now we will add some black pepper. And just a reminder guys, if you're here and you have not yet subscribed, I would encourage you to please do so you will not miss any of my amazing recipes, okay? Now we will go in with our balsamic vinegar. And then we will bake this for 12 minutes. And that is what it looks like. Amazing. So I'll remove from pan and place on my serving dish. And then you can drizzle the remaining balsamic vinegar right over the top. So once again guys, please hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment. Let me know if how yours turned out if you actually make this, okay? See you on the next video, and thank you so much for spending the time with me today. Bye bye.